That is Oshikundu village life for you guys. He doesn't want to go back to Windhoek.
So now,
Yeah.
yesterday, I went to Oshakati.
Yeah.
We passed this area.
Yeah, this area here.
Come back to be told that no, you guys, you can't come back. No, there's flood there. There's water. The water you can't pass that.
Yeah.
Now, I'm supposed to go back to Windhoek right now. But I said I want to see that water. This is now, what time is it? 15. Huh? 10 to 4.
My goodness, are you going to Windhoek? The water will make you.
Here, it's dry here.
Yeah.
I need to take a video.
Yeah,
I
just
can see the water. Is that the water?
the water is there. Ladies and gentlemen, the flood is here, guys. Yo, the water is coming, guys. You see? That's how the water is moving. Yo, she's actually going back to Windhoek.
I'm going to pack my things.
She didn't even pack anything.
Yeah, but I'm going. I'm just making me to work most. That's why I'm here like dark. It's like I'm coming from the...
We were just hearing, no, the flood is coming, the flood is coming. It's finally here. It reaches my village, guys.
Takulo kwa? Endelela netu yetu ye man. Mewe analenga eli hapa.
Oh, it's raining heavily or what?
Dala omale. Penye papita penye ya dipo. Ay, nekupata yake madi.
O tulipotata ipito banga. Diripen. O tulipa shana mpai. Pambule tu bojo inange.
Ningalaka video ne.
Ya şikendemos. Şikende şikende. Ne mühendisçe gireceğiz. Hey, bunu başan gozi.
Mbwibwinga. Otoko ngonetwe kano. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Camera, Iripen.
Camera, hey.
Hi, man. You must touch the water, my mother.
For what? For what? For who?
You see how fast the water is moving? Flood is here, guys. The flood is here. We thought, when people were talking, we thought it was a joke. Now finally the water is here. We can see it physically. Wete funja. Yeah? Yo. Ayo potaya. Tu? Ayo potaya. No. Esto katala olo fikura kwini nali ulike madi. Nga? Yeah. Ete content man. Otori fan. Oh. Tu ontokulo kwanga amboli shiri. Yo, the rain is here. Ah, the water is here, man. Guys, the water is coming. And the rain is here, guys. The rain is here. The water is that side. Yo. I have to run. Surely, I have to run. Woo. Guys, my sisters, my niece left me here and I have to run, guys. Woo. Yo. The middle of nowhere, guys. Yo. Okay, the rain is now. The rain stopped. I came here to hide the rain. So let's go check the progress of the water. So let's go see. Like when I come, now it's actually here. So which means the whole surface from the other side, you guys won't be able to see the water from the other side. Okay, let me be here, guys. Let's hope this rain will stop, otherwise I will run, guys. So remember to like the video, share it to your friends, your family, and subscribe if you haven't already. I know, where are you coming from? Otikosho. Ya poco scolina ya kwati. Oh.
Funja. Kwatelege manga. Nah, ijiku kwatelega. Ame yota ende ma. Yo. Funja. Amen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. You are free now. Yes. Okay. Amen. Ya bobino ni mamos. Ay. Woo. What Greek about? No Greek, huh?
Funjalea.
Funja? Watumba botolo kwa? What Greek?
Funjalea.
Funja?
Funjalea.
I know. Finally we get home. Oof. Tupengo jote dida ya mame. Tatite mas. Tala boy.
Ainda.
Talo kwa ninga.
I'm going back. I hope I will get a transport.
Greet them at Windhoek, man, in the city.
I will.
All right.
No makeup in the north, you know.
No makeup in the north.
Finally, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm about to take off.
Yeah.
I'm at the airport. Yeah, I'm at the airport, right? Oh, these people, they don't know this airport, right?
A village airport.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, I'll be in Windhoek very soon.
Yeah,
In
man.
7 hours time.
Yeah.
Or what?
Yeah, we will leave you here. We are actually going. Are you going to the service?
No.
Mm.
Yeah, okay. Yes, you know.
Bye.
I'm right here.
Bye.
This is my water.
Mm-hmm.
Ambulant water. Not flood water. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Bye. You
Yeah.
guys, I can't show you my face. I'm still on my boots, guys. See you. Shalut.